How's it going? Jason from JTV here. Today I'm going to show y'all how to get some awesome wood grilled flavor on a regular propane grill. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you've probably seen my previous video where I modified my grill by removing the factory heat deflectors and replacing it with a rock grate and ceramic briquettes. These not only enhance your performance of your grill by making it retain heat, get hotter, but also helps it cook even and produce flare-ups. Another little thing you can do is to take regular old wood chips that you would put inside of an electric style smoker, sprinkle a little of them on top of the ceramic briquettes. You don't got to soak them or nothing, just put them on there dry after your grill is preheated and right before you put your food on. Come on, I'll show you how. Go ahead and put the grill on and ignite it. Figure out what we want to do. I think I'm going to do some hickory. I'm actually just cooking up some hot dogs for lunch. And man, I love the flavor of a hot dog cooked over some charcoal. You just don't get that when you're cooking over propane, but you're about to do it now. All right, now that our grill is preheated, we'll go ahead and pop it real quick. Get a nice little wipe down. Use a pair of tongs to lift up one of the sections of the grill. Put a couple wood chips on there. You can put as more or less as you'd like. Something I like to do to make it not so intense of a smoke flavor is I put the wood chips on the side that I'm not cooking on. So you can turn the heat down a little bit lower on the wood chip side. Keep it at your cooking temperature on the side where you're actually going to put the food. If your chips start to flare up like this, just give them a little blow. Because you really want just the smolder in there. You want what they call the thin blue smoke, just like this. You don't want big white smoke billowing out everywhere. That's going to overdo it and put some gnarly stuff on your food. Go ahead and throw my dogs on. Once your chips are good and lit up like this, we can kill the heat on the chip side. Blow them out. Close the lid. Let our food get that awesome wood grilled taste. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little trick. Kind of balling on the budget. Don't got to get the Traeger. Don't got to get a big old fancy wood burning grill to have that flavor. Just watch my video. I'll put the link in the description below. Put a little card up here, and I'll put it at the end of this video too, so you can click on over and check out how to get those ceramic briquettes in your grill so you can grill the best on the block. For JTV, this is Jason signing off. I'll see y'all next time.
Like, comment.